15:47 hours. Fire response on channel 2, ladder 4, 1000 Aurora Avenue North, cross of Aloha Street and Prospect Street. Fire response on channel 1, engine 2, ladder 4, 1000 Aurora Avenue North, cross of Aloha Street and Prospect Street.
Engine 2 and ladder 4 have a run. This is Station 2, Seattle Fire Department. This is the busiest station in the department. Engine 2 is the busiest engine. Ladder 4 is the busiest truck company. Aid 2 is the busiest aid unit. Quarter here also is 882, a peak period aid unit. And safety 2. Engine 2 and ladder 4 have this run. It's a fire response.
Automatic fire alarm. The alarm is also showing in 900 Aurora Avenue North, the south building of the same complex. Water flow alarm. Ladder 4.
The dispatch office was headquartered here until very recently. It just moved down to the new Station 10.